minutes out of the truck. First round.
We didn't fly next
First round.
Right on the trail.
Holy.
Dang
Look
it.
at that little kicker it has on him. Holy frick, it's a heavy. We need to match this thing up.
Oh, dude. Woohoo!
We need to match him up.
Dude, right there, right there.
Colby, is it the same side?
No, it's the other side of that wall.
Sweet.
The other side.
Stud up, Colby.
Found the other side about 40 yards away. Look at that. This is that side. And then right here's the other side. Oh yeah, that's him. Let's freaking go. That's 2 sets this year now. Look at that, Shane. This is his fishing line. Ew. Look here, that's gross. Okay, I'm just gonna turn it off now.
That's one. Colby got another one. Sweet. Another one. Kind of a cool bowl. Sweet. Six. Pretty good bowl. Super heavy. It's bigger than I thought. Found this. Colby found that stud set earlier. I'll get a pickup. Just got to this one, Riley Glass. I found that one on the way coming over to get it. Sweet. Found this old one.
You're looking real good. They just found an old one, but
4 point.
Because Colby started going down, so I started following him.
why would
Sweet.
you fall?
Side by side set. Got a bag full of cool fronts.
Yeah.
Well, hopefully we can find some more. I found another one. So I found my first one, which is on my back. Now we're walking up on this baby. Let's see what he is. Keel, go find the bone. Okay, walked up to that one. There's one right there. Heck yeah, baby. Alright, I just literally picked up this set. Couple, like 3 minutes away. There's another one. Heck yeah, baby. Alright, here's this one. It's a cute little raghorn. And then my set with Kilo. Then I got one on my back. Pretty dang happy.
Yep.
Found another one. Oh. What the crap?
That's a cool one.
It's a weird little 4-point.
We got like 6 right there.
Look at that mass right there. The crap.
That's a cool one.
Huh.
My puppy's cuddling. He's spoiled and gets to sleep on the mattress. On Kilo.